Friends, today I do another exercise. This is meditation exercise, but very important for the trachea. Our trachea, sometimes we face some problem, our tracheas. So if you do this meditation exercise, remove your tracheal problem and any kinds of heart disease, also lungs disease will be removed doing this exercise. So try to do this. And now I start this exercise. First, your both knees into the ground, both legs toe into the ground, and your buttock and gluteus maximus onto your heel and fixed into the heel. And after that, then you come front and your both hands close here, and your tongue outside of your mouth, and mouth is open fully. How can you do? Okay, now start this exercise and take a very big sound like a lion. Okay, now start. Thank you. Try to do this.